you know it's the daughter of the Ninja Killer.
And you know it's the son of Ninja. Wait.
We don't get many Spanish singers.
That's that.
Okay, let's try that again. What's up, YouTube? You know it's the daughter of the Ninja Killer.
And you know this the son of the ninja, Marquez.
And today is July 1st and it's Canada's birthday.
I can rephrase that, please.
And
listener, it's night/evening. So this afternoon, I don't know if I said that right, but
okay.
Canada's
Today
birthday.
is Canada's birthday. It's today, hello.
Alright.
And it's, what time of night now?
After
About 10
10.
p.m. right now. And we're going to see the fireworks
over the
by-
park, ooh, which is like right now backyard.
Well, close to where we live, but yeah. Anyways, here's Johnny. Say hi, Johnny.
Hi.
So guys, don't forget to like,
Subscribe,
comment,
share, and enjoy the video.
and enjoy this video.
See here, fireworks start already.
And the fireworks start. Yeah, see there?
Anyways, without further ado, let's go straight into the video. Awesome.
Okay guys, this is us on our way to see the fireworks. We can see some from here. Well, that done.
Oh God. But
And we got Marcus over here.
Alright, the light too bright. Okay.
And Johnny's in front of us. We are going to see the fireworks. Fireworks. That is so awesome.
I know.
Put it down, Jamal.
It's Canada Day! Happy Canada Day, guys! We're watching fireworks and we're lighting sparkles.
Yeah, something I would love.
This is so awesome. Like, how awesome is this?
10 out of 10, awesome.
We can like sparkle.
Yeah, basically, yeah. Still fire.
Hey guys, wanna sparkle with me?
We come to watch fireworks, so be yourself. Be yourself. It's so gorgeous. Jim.
This is so awesome! This is so cool! Sparkling, hello. I'm sparkling, guys. Woo.
Johnny, want to make you not sparkle?
When the sparkle stick then there soon.
Then they right this way up them.
I want them up here now. Put it here so we can pick them up when we are going.
Go Johnny. Go Johnny. Go Johnny. Go Johnny. You're gonna get dizzy. Yo, fire tornado. Get up. I told you get dizzy.
Where am I?
Get up. Get up. The grass gonna caught fire. Ooh, you're gonna let the girls on fire.
Who are you? Stand back. Who are you? Stand back. Who are you?
Happy Canada Day! No wonder.
Come on, more sparkler, please. Can I have sparkle?
Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, pew, pew.
Johnny, why you lighting a stick?
There's no stick.
Come, Johnny.
Go get a sparkler, sparkle.
Whoa, look at
Pew, pew, pew. Pew, 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 pew. Hey, Markleys, do you want some Markleys? Do you want some sparklies, Markleys?
Ah, don't do that, bro. Don't do that. Don't ever do that thing.
Considering like it wasn't in like that one of those packages, and usually the packages are like
See if I.
Ooh, Markleys, you're sparkling, bro.
Yeah, no right. Sparkles, sparkles, sparkles. I'm sparkling. Yeah, sparkling. Yeah. I'm sparkling. Sparkling. Bruh. Sparkling. Sparkling. Anybody did I'm gonna do our next one. Round.
We have to tell the people them, sir.
Cool.
Like.
It's Canada Day. Canada Day. I'm running out of fire, so I eat that.